You're all welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. Today, we'll be looking at how we can customize and make our report looks more better with what we have here. Now, also, we'll be moving into how we can create more reports with what we have here in terms of sales, such that everything we have here is the profit report, and we could also have the sales report. Quickly, what we'll do to turn this present report we have into a better one is we would want to firstly move to the view option on the ribbon tab. Now we'll select a very appealing visuals of your choice. Now this is the present visuals. This is the present visual we are using. Also, now we could also see that we don't like the font size of each of these texts. So what you do is you click on visual theme, then you scroll down to the section that says customize current themes. Now here, these are the major themes of each color in this report, but we want to go to text. Then the general text, maybe we want it as a new type. We could change that from here, but we'll leave that. But what I want to do generally to it is to increase the font size to 15%. Now that's for the font size of the general text. Also, I would want to increase the font size of the text titles to 20%. Now I could also want to use a new color, possibly a red, as the color title. Now once I click apply, you notice there is a very different change in all the various visuals we have here. Now for this second visuals here, I can see city here, of which I want to remove. I could just click on my visualization pane from here. Firstly, you have to select the visual, then you click on format your visuals, then I would go into my y-axis, then turn off the title. I don't want to see the city there. Now same thing for my average profit by month and year. I don't want to see the title below as month, since we already know that these are the months of the month. Then I don't also want to see this side. Now what I'll do is I'll come to my format text, format visuals. Now on the y-axis, I would want to turn off the text. Then on the x, I'll go up. Same thing on the x-axis, I would want to turn off the title. Now this is what we have in each of the visuals. Also, I would also love to see that I could give my report a title. So you come to the insert, then you click on insert option. Firstly, most times I would advise you type in your text before. No, you make sure you do some customization to the text box before typing in your text, because sometimes it could be difficult to work with text box. So I would want it to be big, then I want it to have a font size of 18, then okay, that is fine. Then I will say that this is my store, my this is my shop, my shop ABC. Now I would slim fit this by dragging it up. Then you could also drag this up to this section and drag this up to fit it. Then you could pull this back. Then you notice there is a line, so you could now say you want to select, then make it a bold one. Then you could want to centralize it or leave it as it may. Then I want to increase it to 20 or 24. Let's say 24. Now, okay, that is okay. Now I have a title for this report, or I could say that this is shop ABC. Now also, there are other things you could add to this. You might want to sort some of the things by maybe a segment. So sorting by segment will allow you arrange these entities by a particular segment. We'll discuss that in another video. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.